Good morning, all of you. Let us continue this chapter and know how the legislature work. You all know that legislature is the law-making body of a government. So let us see how the laws are formed or made in a legislature. The governor summons the assembly and addresses its first meeting every year. During a session, MLAs discuss various issues and problems of the state. An MLA raises concern about his own constituency. When a bill is passed by the assembly, it is sent to the governor for his assent. No bill can become an act or a law without governor's assent. Means when governor will sign on that bill or he is agree with that bill, then only after his sign it will turn into a law, and that law is implemented in the whole state. In order to understand the working of the government at the state level, let us visualize a scene in the legislative assembly. There are 6 MLAs who are taking active part in the discussion. The others are just listeners to the whole conversation. Many times you would have seen the meetings of parliament or legislative assembly on TV or direct telecast. You would have seen that scene is created here also, and through this scene you can understand the working of a legislative assembly. So MLA number 1, there has been as many as 15 deaths in my constituency of Shastri Nagar. These deaths have been due to diarrhea. I draw the attention of the minister in charge of health as to what is being done to control the situation. MLA 2, I ask the health minister why the situation in government hospital is so bad. Why is the government not appointing medical staff? I would also like to know what the government is planning to control the epidemic. MLA 3, in my constituency of civil lines, there is extreme shortage of water supply. What measures have been taken? MLA 4, in my opinion, my member friends are blowing up the problems out of proportion. The government has pressed water tankers into service to supply water twice. As for the case of diarrhea, ORS packets have been distributed in the affected areas and several teams of doctors have also been sent. A mobile clinic has also been pressed into service. MLA 5, we have not been able to assess the situation properly. I think the condition is going from bad to worse. Most doctors and staffs are on leave. It is difficult to get the ORS packets delivered to the families in the area. MLA 6, I think the members of the opposition are unnecessarily blaming the government. The previous government, it is sad to say, that not give enough attention to health and sanitation. We are now cleaning up the garbage that was left by the previous government. Thus, we find that the opposition MLAs are blaming the health minister and the health minister is blaming the previous government for the outbreak of diarrhea. So, in this way, various meetings happened in the Legislative Assembly, and at last, after voting, some decisions are taken, and after governors sign, that decision will turn into a law or an act. You can see here the picture of the Legislative Assembly of Karnataka, a very beautiful building. In every state, you can see this type of buildings, not the same building, but legislative assembly building is found in every state where all these type of discussions happened and laws are made for the particular state. So that's all for today. In the next class, we will continue this chapter and we will study about working of the government. Thank you. Have a good day.